Hey guys, it's Sanoa from Our Rich Journey, and today I'm going to be answering money questions in under 1 minute. Today's topic is investing. Investing is the purchase of something with the expectation of it growing in value. People can invest in anything, from comic books to stocks and bonds. Investments can grow way quicker than if you just kept your money in a savings account. But investments aren't without risk. Anything that you purchase can go down in value. Keep in mind that investments should be for the long term. Don't use money that you'll need in the near future or in emergencies. Most importantly, start investing early. When you invest at an early age, you get bigger returns because of compound interest. Did you know that if you only invest $1,200 into the stock market today, that it could amount to $35,000 or more in 40 years? Now that's the power of investing. So that's it, under 1 minute. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the journey.